back to my channel, Sugar Bites Beauty. My name is Myra. Thank you so much for joining me today. So today I'm actually going to be filming a few videos. So if you see me in the same shirt over here, don't judge please. Like, I did not want to change. And I'm already sitting here with all my setup and I just didn't want to do it, okay? But I have to get these videos down. Otherwise, yeah, I'll get lazy later on. Okay, so today we're actually going to be doing an unboxing, and it's going to be the Macy's beauty box for the month of January. I was going to do like a Macy's beauty box versus the Allure beauty box because they're both $15 boxes. But I'm actually still waiting on my Allure beauty box, and I don't know exactly when it's going to get here, so I better just get this one done. So again, the Macy's beauty box is $15 a month plus taxes, so it comes out to like $16 and change. They come in little baggies, so they look super cute. And here's the little booklet for the month. And then inside it gives you the details of the products, and then they'll include a coupon every month that you can actually use on the beauty products that they have. And this month they actually gave us a $10 coupon, so that's actually pretty good. Super excited about that. And I think last month they gave us a $10 one too. So 2 months in a row, that is awesome. And you can use the coupons online, so that's pretty cool too. Okay, so this month, here's what the little bag looks like. It's super cute, it's clear, and it's got this little pom-pom up here. So I just love that. Okay, we're just gonna do the first thing in here because you were able to see it anyway. So this is the Tony Moly On Lemon Gel Eye Patch, and it's a brightening mask for your under eyes. That's what it looks like. I love these, and I do love the Tony Moly mask, so I'm super excited to get that. And that's actually a full-size item, and that one retails for $4. So the rest of our products are bundled in this little pink pack right here, and we're gonna unwrap it. Okay, they're wrapping only thing. Okay, there we go. Finally, our products. Okay, so the first thing in here is going to be a perfume sample, and it's from Marc Jacobs, and it's their Daisy fragrance. That's the little packet it comes in, and it is one of the little vials. That's what it looks like, and that's what the full-size perfume looks like, and I actually do own that. And that retails for $104 for the 3.4 ounce. And that actually does smell really good. I love it for summer. So, okay. Next thing in here is from Kiehl's. I think that's how you say it. It's their Glow Formula Skin Hydrator. So it's this little baby right here. And I guess it's the moisturizer. It is, yeah, it's the moisturizer. And it retails for $38 for the full size. Obviously, that's just a little baby sample. Next thing in here is from Clinique. And it's their Moisture Surge 72-hour auto-replenishing hydrator. And it's a gel cream. So that's what it looks like. So again, that's going to be another moisturizer, and that one retails for $39. Next thing in here is from Dr. Brandt, and it's their microdermabrasion. So here's the little baby, and the full size of that retails for $79. I have tried that before. I do like it's nice and grainy, but it doesn't like feel very harsh on the skin, but I do enjoy that. And our last little item in the little pink bag is from Philosophy, and it's their Anti-Wrinkle Miracle Worker Primer. And it says it's a line correcting primer. So that's what it looks like. And let me open it to see what size it is. I do like primers. I definitely like to try those. Okay, so it's one of the little babies too. And that one retails for $36 for the full size. So the Macy's Beauty Box usually carries the stuff that they carry on in store and online. So it'll have like the Philosophy, the Clinique. It will have the Shiseido. It has, you know, that type of brand, the higher end type of brand. But the samples are usually really small, okay? Because you guys just saw, I mean, what we got isn't bad, but they're little tiny baby samples. So I don't know. I have been with them for over a year, and I don't know if I'm going to keep it this year. Like, I want to, but at the end of the day, I don't know if it's really worth the $15, you know? I like it when they send the $10 coupons, but honestly, I don't even use them every month. So I don't know if they're that worth it to me personally. I don't know. We'll see. But definitely let me know. Do you guys subscribe to the Macy's Beauty Box? What do you guys think of it? What do you guys think? Should I keep it? Should I not keep it? I don't know what to do. But definitely let me know down in the comments what you guys like about it. Pros and cons. I don't know. Definitely let me know. Thank you so much for stopping by, you guys. And before you leave, please don't forget to hit the little subscribe button down there so that you don't miss any future videos. I am trying to get to the 1,000 subscribers this year, so definitely hit the little button. Thank you so much, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye.